Hello students, this is Preeti Damle, your English teacher. Students, today we are going to study a poem named On the Grasshopper and Cricket, written by John Keats. Now the poem On the Grasshopper and Cricket is a symbolic poem in which grasshopper is a symbol of hot summer and cricket is of very cold winter. Now, the poet creates an awareness of the beauty, glory, and grandeur of nature. John Keats is a nature lover. He says, nature is always alive in its own beauty. Nature is filled with poetry in all seasons. Even in the worst climate, nature is filled with the song of its creatures. There is always someone to create some music and joy. The poet asserts that no matter what the season is, whether it is summer or winter, the music and poetry of nature is never dead. In the sense, life is also a continuous process. There is always a living force working in nature. Now I'll give you the parawise explanation of the poem. So here I begin. The poetry of earth is never dead. When all the birds are faint with the hot sun and hide in cooling trees, a voice will run from hedge to hedge about the new-mown mead. That is the grasshopper's. He takes the lead. In summer luxury he has never done with his delights, for when tired out with fun, he rests at ease beneath some pleasant weeds. So here the earth is full of poetry. The poet says that during a very hot summer day, all the birds take rest, hide under the shady branches of trees, as they are tired of the scorching heat of the sun. They stop their twittering and singing because of the heat. Yet the music of the earth does not come to an end. There is a voice which can be heard from hedge to hedge in the grasslands. This, he says, is the grasshopper who leads the summer. His happiness never comes to an end. He sings merrily, delighted with the surroundings, until he is satisfied. And when tired, he takes rest under the shady weeds. Next, the poetry of earth is ceasing never. On a lone winter evening, when the frost has wrought a silence, from the stone there shrills the cricket's song in warmth increasing ever, and seems to one in drowsiness half lost, the grasshoppers among some grassy hills. Now here the poetry of earth never stops. He says, on a bitterly cold winter evening, when all the living creatures are silent and take rest, the atmosphere seems to bring in loneliness, and silence prevails all over. The poetry of earth never stops, and it expresses its pleasures through different mediums, like the cricket. He sings beautiful, high pitched songs from underneath the stones, and it increases in warmth every moment. The half asleep human who is in a semi conscious state thinks, mistakes it for the merry notes of the grasshopper coming from the grassy hills. Thank you.